Well, here I am. I am, obviously, 2 days after the tattoo, preparing to remove the Saniderm. I thought, well, you know what? Let's just put some Dawn dishwashing detergent on the outside of this and scrub around a little bit, carefully. And it didn't hurt by this point. You can see there's some blood that pulled down there by my elbow, but it didn't really hurt. I know people who are familiar with Saniderm are right now laughing their butts off. And so am I. Yeah, this was just as confusing for me to experience as it is to watch. I'm like, I know. Why? I'll try it this way. How come I cannot get a purchase on this? It won't, I can't, yeah, it was kind of crazy. I do get a purchase on it though. Here at some point. This tattoo, by the way, was done by John Reardon, who is the owner of Greenpoint Tattoo in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. And that shop is amazing. And I really love going there. I had so much fun. Okay, let's just stick to this and see if we can. Let's go. Nope, still can't grab it. How long's it been now? How long? Feels like it's been quite some time. Nope, just 2 minutes. Well, this is a 17-minute. Oh, look! Oh, I looked away for 2 seconds. I missed me getting a hold of it. Okay, so now I'm getting it on. Now the whole time I'm it leaves such a goopy mess there. I think I'll show you a picture of this. It's been healed for a time. Yeah, I was like, oh, just use it. No, don't use it on. Not on the actual skin, so I'm using some soft soap. I actually scared myself there. Okay. Now we just gotta wash the tattoo gently with some gentle soap. I don't think I can get all that blood off my elbow at this juncture, so that might annoy some people, but there's nothing I can do about it now. So, yeah. See how much nicer it looks when it's not covered in blood. The thing I love about this tattoo is it just makes me think crunchy. It just looks like something that would be crunchy. Okay. Ah, the paper towel. The delightful paper towel. Oh, maybe it's not 17 minutes long. Okay, so see? Look at all the detail inside that. It's insane.